Welcome back to the continuation of the YoLink project. So here is another kit which I'm actually very excited about. This is the Smart Garage Door Kit 2. You've probably seen a whole bunch of different smart garage door openers, but this one is very different, and that is really why I wanted to kind of review it and go over it and compare it. What does it do differently and how easy it is to install? So check this out. In the regular Wi-Fi garage door openers, you still have to replace the sensor which goes by the door, and it's usually two contacts where you have to mount one sensor on the door, the other one on the wall, so when the door comes down, it registers that the sensor is there. Then you run the wire all the way back to the unit, to the motor that controls the actual garage door, just like I did. Check out my video. And then after that, you have to connect the smart box into the actual garage door unit at the top, which was a little bit tricky last time when I did it. And after that, you'll be able to open and close it with an app. So here's what's different in this kit. This is actually really cool. Let's open it up. So this kit comes with a garage door sensor too, and this device. Look at that. So this is the whole unit. You literally do not have to run any wires at all. The whole installation can take 2 minutes. If you're interested in the YoLink smart home setup, the first thing you will need is the main hub, which allows for over 200 different devices to be connected to it. You will also need to download the YoLink app. Please take a look at the video linked in the description, in which I go over both the hub and the app. This way you can easily follow any of my videos on the YoLink implementation, and you can possibly come up with your own ideas for your home. The main unit gets paired with the YoLink app as usual when you open up the app, and then you scan the QR code. That connects it to the app and connects it into the whole ecosystem that you have at home. After that, you press the set button and it activates it. So here's what it does. You see this finger, as they call it? So this gets mounted to your regular wall button in your garage. So when you activate it, it will literally press the button mechanically to open the door or close it. So it's not wired into your system at all. And here's the sensor. The door sensor does not report the break of the contact like the regular door sensors. This one just reports if it's in a vertical or in a horizontal position. When the door gets opened, the sensor goes in the horizontal position, and that shows that the door is open. It's just simple as that. In the app, you're able to set up the alerts to let you know if the door gets opened or closed. Then you can also set timers for the duration of the time that the door is open before it alerts you about it. You can also easily configure this opener with Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can open it and close it with voice commands. If you have other smart things in your home, you can link them in automation. For example, if you have a smart light outside the garage, you can automate it to turn on when the door is open during the time of darkness. A note on security. As I've mentioned in the hub video, YoLink is more secure than your average Wi-Fi garage door opener, because only the hub is connected to the internet, and the rest of the communication between the devices happens on its own secure LoRa network. Both of them come with adhesive tape on the back. So you don't need any screws, you don't need any wires. They already have the batteries in them. It's peel and stick. I will actually time it how long it will take me to install this whole thing, start to finish. So there you go. Now you have seen how this setup works and you can actually appreciate the simple design. I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for more smart home implementations, please feel free to come back to check out all of my new installations. It's been fun. I'll see you guys on the flip side.